Mr. Ambassador, thanks for joining CGTN. How do you see the active role of this expo in boosting trade and economic ties between China and South Asian countries?
I think this is a great opportunity for all South Asian countries. Maldives is the smallest of South Asian countries, but Maldives also stands to benefit from this great fair. Maldives, as you know, is a greatly import-dependent country, and we import a lot of products from all over the world. But as of recent, we have started importing a lot of products from China. As you know, the Maldives-China Free Trade Agreement came into effect at the beginning of this year, and as a result, I think our trade has to rise to higher levels, going forward. So I think this platform, this expo platform, provides immense opportunity for all South Asian countries to have their presence in China itself in terms of market share, and also have connectivity possibility for networking with the rest of the South Asian countries, but also other participating countries such as ASEAN countries.
China and the Maldives are close trading partners. In what areas do you see the greatest potential for further collaboration?
In terms of exports. So under the FTA, around 97 to 98% of the products that we trade between our two countries are duty-free. So that means China has a huge advantage in comparison with the other countries that we trade with. I think that's a great opportunity. For the Maldives side, we stand to benefit from the wider cooperation. Maldives has been a BRI partner, and very proudly so, since 2013, and we have immensely benefited from these activities. I think it is great that China, as a global leader, is taking initiatives to cooperate with such small countries as ours. The principle of our reciprocity, the principle of respect to each other.
Chinese companies have been active in infrastructure projects in your country. How would you evaluate the impact of these collaborations?
I think it is tremendous in terms of the benefits that we have received. Take one example, the China-Maldives Friendship Bridge that connects the capital city Male, the airport, and the adjacent town of Hulu Male. We used to have a 20-minute, 25-minute boat ride from the capital Male to the nearest town, and then another 10 to 15-minute boat ride from the capital Male to the airport. Now this has been cut short to 5 minutes and 10 to 15 minutes respectively. So it's tremendous in terms of the ability it provides, in terms of the scope of economies of scale that it provides. There are other examples that we can take, the road networks that have been established in the outer line atolls and islands. It is fantastic. So it is going on, and we have more projects lined up. There's negotiations going on, there's scope of activities going on, there's feasibility study going on.
Tourism is a key pillar of the Maldives economy. How important is the Chinese market, and are there any new initiatives to attract more Chinese visitors?
China is our largest source of tourism. Last year we received more than 260,000 tourists from China. For China, it is a very small amount. For us, it is big. We hope China will be the top market for us by the end of the year. In terms of other ways that we can boost, I think it is essential that we have more Chinese-owned tourist resorts in the Maldives. On us, it is the capacity. So capacity building is gradual, so it is happening, but I think when it is happening at the same time, we would like to see more Chinese investors coming forward and investing in the Maldives tourism. That would be a fantastic thing, because then Chinese tourists would feel at home.